Hello everyone, Rylan Engelhart here. I'm the Executive Director and co-founder of Kiss the Ground, and we wanted to just tune you into what we're going to be offering and sharing on Earth Day, looking at how we can best serve our community in these uncertain times, given what resources, talents, knowledge we have. And so what we've put together for you is, starting at 10 a.m., we're going to have an amazing live interview podcast with legendary environmentalist Paul Hawken, speaking about his 50 years of environmentalism and how breakdowns can lead to breakthroughs and how that applies to this now moment. The second thing we're going to be offering is we're going to be encouraging people to become members of Kiss the Ground, and because of the financial challenging moment that we're in, we're going to make that program available for as low as $1. And with that membership, you're going to be receiving a free course, and it's an online soil advocacy training course co-produced with Commune, and that will be a free course that will be offered to everyone who signs up for membership, KTG membership on Earth Day. And then the third thing we're going to be offering is at 4 p.m. we're going to be having a really fun Instagram Live Earth dance party with partner, ally, advisor DJ Kavum, who's an amazing hip-hop MC, poet, gardener, or urban gardener, and an amazing DJ. He's going to be put together an amazing set for us to go outside and dance our hearts out and find a little bit of fun in this challenging moment in time. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your partnership and your participation, and for loving the earth. We love you and we appreciate you. Thank you so much.